Welcome to the GGM Stencil Exterior Flooring Systems presentation video. In the following minutes, we will introduce you to the latest technology in outdoor flooring and give you a clear understanding about the reasons why GGM Stencil Flooring Systems is the best solution for your upcoming project. Whether you are the owner of a large hotel complex where you have to deal with vast outdoor spaces, an architect assigned to design a private residence on the look for the best materials to use outdoors, an owner of an industrial facility where safety and resilience is a must, or you oversee the development of places visited by the public where beauty, safety, and durability is necessary, exterior flooring is an important feature that must not be neglected. The exterior space of your facilities is extremely crucial in delivering the appreciation your business has for design, appeal, comfort, and safety. Of the few options available on the market, GGM Stencil is here to offer you the most technologically advanced solution using a new technique that delivers high quality, exceptional aesthetics, and very durable decorative floors. Stencil floors outperform all other conventional applications like paving blocks, stamped concrete, tiles, etc. at a very competitive price as well. When we speak about stencil flooring, we refer to the technique where cutouts of special paper are used to create patterns on a concrete surface and give it the appearance of grout and tile. First, the concrete foundation is laid and made level. When the concrete is still wet, the special high durability stencil paper is placed onto the surface and gently pressed into the material. The surface is then covered with the GGM Stencil High Durability Color Hardener. The hardener is worked into the concrete and mixes with the top layer of the material. Steps 3 and 4 are repeated twice. When the concrete has partially dried, the stencil paper is carefully removed to reveal the finished result. Once the concrete has completely cured in a few days, it is ready to be primed and sealed with a certified penetrating resin that protects the floor from the elements. The GGM stencil floor is ready to be visited a few hours later. GGM stencil floors can be applied on a pre-existing foundation as well, cement or other. First, the existing surface must be thoroughly cleaned with the agents provided by GGM Stencil and must be rid of all organic and inorganic elements, as well as dust. Then all necessary repairs are made to the surface in order to cover all chemical and mechanical imperfections. A layer of high-quality cement mortar that is fortified with fiberglass mesh is laid over the foundation to make it level and solid. Once the surface is ready, the paper stencil is rolled on top and secured in place. Then, stencil color hardener in liquid state is sprayed onto the surface in 2 coats. When the second coat has been applied, the stencil paper is carefully removed. The floor is then primed and sealed, and it is ready to be used after a few hours. GGM stencils give beautiful results and have many advantages over other solutions offered in exterior flooring. First of all, they are very fast to apply, faster than paving blocks and tiles and equally fast as stamped concrete. Yet the cost is lower than the paved solutions of equal quality. The floors are frost, salt, and waterproof and have high resistance to chemicals and pollution. These qualities have been achieved through years of extensive research and development using the latest nanotechnology available. The final surface is fine, symmetrical, and completely level, but also offers very strong grip unlike weathered stamped concrete and paving blocks. It has excellent resilience to shocks and can bear heavier loads than a paved floor, with numbers rising up to 100 tons depending on the thickness of the concrete. It will not deform, alter, or crack on its own, and can be adapted to any architectural drawing or specific demand due to the flexibility of the paper stencil. Also, it is ideal for use in locations of critical slopes, and the colors will never rub off or fade. Moreover, the floor can be made up of cool materials which give it anti-heat properties, achieving lower surface temperatures by 10 degrees Celsius, beating any competitive exterior floors in this area. This, in combination with the rest of the materials and process, make GGM stencils a very eco-friendly solution. However, GGM stencil floors' advantages do not stop there. The most exciting feature that these mechanically sound installations have is the great array of interesting patterns and colorization. The paper stencils come in a large variety of designs, and when coupled with the infinite spectrum of colors available, the possibilities are limitless. The final finish of brushes and textures bring the stencil floor experience to unprecedented heights. This is the pinnacle of architectural flooring and is given for the realization of the most inspired designs that one can imagine. The aim of laying a stencil floor is to provide a long-lasting solution of the highest quality. This is determined by several factors such as the quality of raw materials used, the proper laying of the substructure, technical skills, expertise, specialization, and standardization. With these in mind, and with a drive to build the perfect stencil floor, GGM Stencil has developed the StencilPRO Method. StencilPRO Method is a certified and detailed guideline of materials, procedures, and instructions of application for the construction of stencil floors. All raw materials used are of the finest quality. These stencil floors contain unbreakable corundum minerals, top-tier granulated silica sand, strong resin binders, iron oxides for colorization, and Portland white cement. All these are accompanied by the latest nanotech materials that are combined together by the GGM Stencils research and development team. Beyond this, the StencilPRO Method has technical specifications of application of the flooring in regard to what the use will be, what season of the year it will be laid, the weather conditions, and to what climatic conditions the project will be exposed. These specifications ensure a long-lasting and perfectly constructed project. The company prides itself in producing excellent materials and results through established methods and structure. This is backed by ISO 9001 certificates, and all materials are CE compliant. We hope you enjoyed watching the presentation of GGM stencil flooring systems and may have a better understanding on how you may benefit from the top exterior flooring technique of our time. GGM Stencil Flooring, the affordable luxury of stencil flooring systems.